No, sa may
Parang hug ka niya.
Please.
Parang kiss ka niya, hug ka niya.
Ay, ayoko.
Ako na lang mag-kiss.
Ayan, ikaw lang.
Eh, saan ang papa ko?
Diyan mo sa side mo.
Saan na ngayon?
May kinuha lang na jersey.
Miss B,
Yes. AI. Yes. AI.
I got you something from Aruba.
What's that?
I don't know actually what stone it is, but it's good night.
Good night, Mr. Vince. Sardines.
Papa, hug my mama first.
Huh?
Hug my mama.
Oh, tapos ako smile. Oh, no.
Yes. No, kiss mama in the cheeks. Again.
Kiniti ako. Chris.
Why do you smell like barbecue?
Siyempre,
Oh,
kumain
because we
tayo
went to
ng
the-
barbecue. Hug me, Katie.
Okay.
Love you. Love you.
I love you.
Good night, everybody.
Morning.
School ba to?
Ala, ano oras na? Chris.
8:04.
Ha?
Titi, may school ka ba?
Pero may doctor tayo.
Ano oras?
Ano oras na, Chris?
8:04.
Mga 9 tayo, alis. Tara na, bangon na tayo, guys. Kala ko tuloy may school talaga. Ay! Morning, everybody. Morning, Mr. B. How's your sleep, Mr. B?
My sleep was really good. Ikaw, how was your sleep?
Bagsak. Busog. Bagsak sa kabusugan, everybody. Katong-tawa. Katong-tawa. Tsura mo dyan. Mr. B, bibideo na kita kasi aalis ka, no? Ah, eme. Eme. Kinilig siya. Oh, alis ka na kasi sa Sunday. Eme. Huwag ka na umalis. Ay! 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 May isa tumitingin. Paano, be?